Velocity of waves. So we have seen that what is velocity of waves, but again I'll explain you. If we stand at the coast, we feel the waves are coming towards the coast. If a floating object is thrown at a distance in the sea, we find the object moving up and down at the same place. Okay, means it does not confront, it just moves at the same place. Hmm? It does not come to the coast. It means the water forming the wave also does not come to the coast. That means the water which form the waves, it does not come to the coast. Then what does come to the coast? Yes, what comes to the coast? Only the water which is near the coast. It is pushed by the water creating waves and then shifted back. Okay, so does not come to the coast. Remember that the water in the wave does not move. What move is the energy. So what moves is the energy, and it is not the water it moves. Because of the energy, wind, okay, the waves, they are generated. Hmm? The main reason for the wave generation, wind. Yes, I told you just now, it is wind. But at times, due to earthquakes or volcanic eruptions occurring below the floor of the sea, waves get generated. So what are the reasons for the generation of wave? Wind, earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, okay, occurring below the floor of the sea. Waves get generated. Such waves assume a great height in the shallow water near the coast. These waves are very destructive. They cause huge loss of property and life. So these types of waves, they are very destructive, and these are called as tsunamis. What are they called as? Tsunamis. Okay. In 2004, tsunami waves were generated because of the earthquake that took place near Sumatra Island of Indonesia. They devastated the east coast of India as well as of Sri Lanka. Yes. Okay, many of the places of India were also devastated. Many loss of people, loss of property happened at that time because of the tsunamis, the waves generated in the water because of the earthquake. Got all of you? So these are this velocity of the waves. So this is the velocity of the waves. The energy, force because of it which the water moves. It is the energy which moves and not the water. And the different reasons for the generation of the waves. Okay, wind, earthquakes, volcanoes. The waves causes erosion along the headlands and create beaches in the protected location in the bays. Yes, the waves, because of waves, erosions take place. Erosion means what? When the water, it comes and hit the rock, okay, because of the chemical properties, whatever, okay, and banging of water again and again, the erosion take place along the headlands, means whatever the rocky border or body is there, and the beaches are created in the protected location in the bays. Okay. Always remember, if earthquakes occur in the ocean, the coastal area face a risk of tsunamis. What if the earthquake occur in ocean? Okay. In such cases, it is better to go away from the coast or towards the higher altitudes. This way, loss of life can be avoided. Because of this, loss of life can be avoided. So, remember, when the earthquakes take place in ocean, it is tsunami. Clear? Do you know, while moving along the sea coast or playing in the water, we must take adequate care regarding the timing of the tides. Otherwise, it can lead to serious accidents. For that, we must know the timings of the tides. For this, you must know the phase of the moon on the given day. 3/4 of the phase of the moon is the time of the high tide. For example, suppose you are at the coast of the fourth phase of the moon, then the 3/4 of the phase is 3/4 of the phase is 3. It means the high tide will occur on 3 a.m. and 3 p.m. and approximately 6 hours from it, that is 9 a.m. and 9 p.m. will be the low tide. There may be slight differences according to the local conditions. We must collect the information from the local people and learn from them about the structure of the coast, its slope, rocky areas, as well as the streams near the coast before entering the seawater for enjoyment. So we all should study that how the tides take place, at what time do they take place, at the different means when the phase of the moon, okay, how does it the timing gets changed. Okay, class. So tell the timings of the tides occurring on the first and third quarter days of the month. What will be the timing? Can you? Who will tell? Yes, class. Tell the timings of the tides occurring on the first and third quarter days. First and third quarter days of the month. Come on, try it and tell the answer. I want the answer from you all. Please try it. I'm there to tell you. Hmm? Okay. Now we are going to start with the exercise. See, prepare a chain by matching the following. Please have a look on the first question and try to do it, all of you. Prepare a chain by matching the following. Okay. How will you do it? Just try it. So, how will be your answers? Waves. Waves. Wind. Okay, these are also generated due to earthquakes and volcanoes. Like this. Centrifugal force, rotation of the earth. Objects get thrown towards the outer side. Okay. Gravitational force. The moon, the sun, and the earth. Gravitational force. The moon, the sun, and the earth operates in the towards towards the center of the earth. Spring tide. New moon day. Highest high tide occurs on this day. What? Highest high tide occurs on this day. Neap tide. Eighth phase of the moon. The forces of the sun and the moon operate in different directions. The forces of the sun and the moon operate in different directions. Okay, so these are your answers. Have you got it? Please, class, read the lesson again. Okay, and solve the exercise very neatly and properly in your note.